So today I'm going to run through the Domino Festool. So this is a top of the range biscuit joiner. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. I'm going to give you a nice demonstration how to use it, and I'm going to tell you what I think. Any blade changing or any troubleshooting I can do on a separate video. I'm just going to try and keep this one quick, informative, see how we get on with it, see what I think. So we have got, in this box we have the Domino. This is the DF500Q Plus, and this is a 240 volt. There we go. Comes with a separate lead, which is all of the Festool comes with a separate detachable lead, which I think is quite nice. Your lead gets busted, you just change it up for a new one, which I think's, yeah, top of the range, spot on. And then we have our biscuits in here, and even them on their own, they look fantastic, don't they? How cool are they? That's what you're paying for. So we've got in here, we've got 5x30s, 4x20s, all the way up to 10mm thick by 50mm long, which are these ones. So they're going to be your more heavy duty stuff when you're joining. So my favourite, I believe, is the 6x40. That's my most used one. Let's put them to one side for now, and then show you this beast. So you've got a nice heavy bit of kit, lovely solid base. Here you've got your start and stop. Here you've got your tolerances for your biscuits. So if you didn't want them tight, you can actually open it up. So basically this blade, when you plunge in, show you this, unlock that. Voila. So basically that plate sits down on the block of wood that you're routering out into. So this blade here, okay, it's a little circle blade, almost like a drill bit, but it's not. Because when this plunges into the soil, it almost wiggles, which opens up enough of a slot for you to install one of these. So it's very clever how it works. And obviously you've got, for each domino, you've got a certain setting. We'll run through that in a minute. So let's get this plugged in. I had the fan on, it's 30 degrees today. Right, so I've got 2 offcuts of oak here. Yes, these have just been dominoed in because I just done a whole section, I didn't press record. So I'm going to quickly do it again. Alright, but that's the money shot. That is the finish it's going to give you. It's going to give you the perfect insert for them dominoes that they supply. So I've got my Festool extractor on the saw. I've set this to 22mm, and I'm going to quickly do the other side just to show you how easy it is. So on the domino itself, you've got a lovely see-through screen with some numbers on it, and you've also dialed in at 0. So you've got your lines at 0, okay? And it's so easy to plunge in. You literally could just use 2 fingers, just plunge that in. It's like a router, but different style. So what I've done, I've lined these up, haven't done it even. I've got my square, and I've literally just put some nice pencil marks through. Be careful not to move your timber once you've done it and all your lines line up, because once you domino it, it's going to be nice and tight to that. I'm not going to plane this wood up once I glue it up or make it look pretty. It's just a demonstration of how this tool is going to work and function for you guys. I've been mainly using this domino now for oak flooring, walnut flooring. When we do all of the treads and the risers, I've been doing it all out of solid oak trims. So it's just a better finish. There's no fixings on show. Glue the dominoes in, clamp it all up. Next day, it's perfect. So let me just demonstrate how easy it is to use this. That's literally just how quick and easy it is to use. Obviously, there's many ways you can use this. You can flip this on edge, and then you might get a little jig sorted for, say, if you were doing wardrobes out of your panel, you clamp a jig down and then you'd press the dominoes in a nice straight line for like shelving without any fixing, say, or with any screws, or you wanted to screw it anyway, but you wanted to do this method as well. So it's such a great little tool. So let's get the dominoes in. As you can see, with the dust extractor, that's the only bit of sawdust I've got. So it's fantastic for the dust extraction as well. So let's get these out. I'm going to bang the domino in. I believe you've set up for these. Sure have. So they are the 6s, I need 5s. 5s. Good on that, mate. Right, here we go. Get these banged in. Like a dream. So as you can see, I've gave these tolerance left and right. Because once it's glued in, obviously I'm not gluing it in. This is just demonstration on the top. You see, I gave it tolerance left and right, so literally when it's banged in tight, you can move it. Just makes it a lot easier when it's glued up. Gives you a bit more room to play with. So you want to line up your lines that you had on there. See that? To be fair, I was going to clamp that up because this timber's quite bowed, but look, can you see how flat and flush that is? That is absolutely fantastic. And as I say, I gave it a bit of tolerance, so if I did want to just tap that around, give me a bit of play, so you can slightly see daylight through it. Obviously you gluing this up. Beautiful. Glue that up and that's it. You've got your secret fixings. Move that to one side. So this is it. No glue. I can't even pull that apart. I honestly cannot pull that apart. Jesus Christ. And it's flush. That is so flush. I can't even tell you how flush that is. And it's strong without any glue. So that is the Domino FS500 Q+. Do I use it all the time? No, I don't use it all the time. When that comes out on site, it means business. It means you're going to get a nice smart job, no fixings, and it's quick. You see them 4 holes, I didn't even speed them up. It don't take long at all. Once you're set up on site, I'm not set up on site, once you're set up on site and you're cracking with it, it's such a great bit of kit. Especially with the dust extractor from Festool. There's literally no dust. Tiny bit of dust, absolutely nothing. So would I go get one if I didn't have one? Yes, I would. Like and follow the page. This is Scott the Builder's Hub. Scott the Builder's Hub. This is Scott the Builder's Bar where all these reviews are going to take place. Follow the page. See the other ones. Like and follow for more. Come on. Get in there. Gosh.